this aircraft is parked at the gate, the seatbelt sign come off. Use caution when retrieving your items out of the overhead compartment as items tend to shift around during flight. Our galley service doors are going to be open for servicing. For your safety, please give anyone you are supervising. Stay clear of our galley service doors. As you continue on to SWA, visit the TV monitors located throughout the terminals for your next gate and flight number. Check your seatback pockets around the area for all personal belongings once you exit the aircraft. You will not be allowed to retrieve any personal items, so double check and make sure you have everything. It's been a pleasure spending a part of our long morning with you all. There's so many choices out there, and we thank you for choosing us here at Southwest. Go out, vocal up, most importantly, remain safe. Welcome to Chicago.